Hello everyone, Bryan from Constellation here, and today we will show you 3 fast and easy things you can do to keep your AC working properly for today and many years to come. We are creating this series of videos to ensure your home stays efficient and safe and all your maintenances are up to date. That being said, please like our page so we can keep helping you with all your home service needs. Check your filter. Most indoor units are located in the basement or utility closet. Once you have located your AC filter, make sure you turn off your system either by the main power switch or by the thermostat. The filter is usually located behind a door on the piece of equipment. Visually inspect your filter, check for a layer of dust or discoloration. Look for the airflow indicator marked on the new filter. It is usually just a small arrow printed on the edge of the new filter. Slide the new filter back into the slot and replace the door. Turn the power back on to the system or reset your thermostat. We recommend replacing your filter every 3 months. However, if you do have pets, live in a highly urban area, or if you live in a new home, we recommend replacing your filter every month for the first 3 months. Make sure your outdoor unit is unobstructed by vegetation, like leaves, shrubs, or tall grass. If you notice any obstructions, gently remove the debris from around the system. If needed, run your water hose over the radiator gently. Do not use a pressure washer. Use these 3 steps to confirm your AC system is blowing cool air. Adjust the thermostat to the cooling mode. Set your temperature to 60 degrees. This turns the AC system on. Wait 10 minutes, then check to see if cool air is coming out of the vents on each floor of the house and the outside unit is running. And then return your thermostat to its original setting. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please comment below or call Constellation directly.